FileBound Connect was built on a proven platform. Its clean design allows users to interact with FileBound like never before. FileBound Connect reduces the number of clicks it takes to get work completed and seamlessly integrates with any web application to quickly and easily access related content and documents. So why FileBound Connect? 1. Our partners and users have asked for it. You've asked for a cleaner and more powerful integration with other systems. FileBound Connect delivers on your request and so much more. 2. Customers expect a user-centric design. Software must be easy for everyone to use, not just tech-savvy users. In order to gain wide user adoption, the software must be easy to navigate and easy to use. 3. Customers expect instant availability. Users expect the ability to quickly and easily locate relevant information and documents stored in FileBound. According to Nucleus research, toggling between applications can take up to 1 to 2 hours of an employee's time each week. Today, you'll see how a user can gain access to documents in FileBound in just seconds. This video will focus on 6 powerful features within FileBound Connect. Integration with Salesforce and integration with Skyward as 2 examples. Searching. Adding file information. Adding documents to a file. The ability to do a mass export of file information, and assignments. Again, this is all within the new FileBound Connect interface. Let's think about all the applications users interact with daily, whether those are ERP systems, CRMs, accounting systems. The number seems endless. FileBound Connect provides out-of-the-box integration to these applications without programming or database tampering. This provides a single interface for all web-based programs, allowing employees to be more productive and continue to work with processes and systems that they're familiar with. So, once logged into FileBound Connect, you're presented with 6 icons located on the window header, as well as a drop-down list of all FileBound projects. First, let's demonstrate some of the integration capabilities with 2 different line of business applications. Again, starting with Salesforce. While working in Salesforce and in my contract screen, FileBound Connect automatically recognizes the information on the Salesforce screen and then auto-searches the data stored in FileBound. In this example, we're on the court company contracts, which is showing the associated documents stored in FileBound. These documents include a BAA, a EULA, a Master Services Agreement, and an NDA. If we want to view these documents, we simply double-click on the document and the viewer opens up. To demonstrate how FileBound Connect continues to monitor the screen and data that I'm looking at in Salesforce, if I click on another contract in Salesforce, the information in FileBound Connect automatically updates, and a green indication shows that this file now has 4 documents associated with it. To show even more power within FileBound Connect, let's demonstrate some of the walk-along integration to another application, Skyward. Once in Skyward, let's look at Brad Abbott's file. Notice that the project switches from FileBound Connect to Skyward Student Records. FileBound Connect automatically interrogated and monitored the screen that I was viewing, switching from Salesforce to Skyward without any toggling or clicking between applications. Brad's file has 5 documents, but only 1 document under Student Enrollment Packet and under the Enrollment Separator. Where are the other 4 documents? You can view by using the drop-down list or expanding the window. You'll see Performance has 2 documents and Personal Records has 2 documents. Now, let's show how easy and seamless it is to add a document to an existing file. Let's view a new file, and let's look at Paul's file. We notice that Paul has no documents associated there. In this case, I have a transcript for Paul and I want to simply drag and drop to the appropriate transcript divider. A couple things to notice. You're adding directly to that divider. Unlike the old integration kit, it requires no clicking between 6 or 7 different screens. Another thing to note as we move forward, FileBound is defaulting each document to the actual file name with less ad hoc options. This allows for more of a structured filing process. However, you still have the option to change the document name if needed. To view, simply double-click the Transcripts divider. Let's take a few steps back. The home screen for FileBound Connect represents the Add Content screen. To demonstrate, let's add Wayne Mustard to our project. Let's type in student name Wayne Mustard. Student ID number 985421. Date of birth 02/12/1971. An internal ID 876543. In this case, I'm going to do a search just to show it doesn't bring up any documents. We can add content in a variety of ways. We can scan, we can import, and we can drag and drop as you saw me do earlier. In order for the scan and import capabilities to become active, you must select this separator and divider. I'll choose the Personal Records Separator and the Transcript divider, which then activates for scan and import options. If I choose Import, I can browse to a folder and select the transcripts. At this point, I can also select to route the document down a predefined workflow. At this point, the file has now been created, the transcripts uploaded, and routed appropriately. Easy and quick with one-step process. Now, let's quickly show the searching capabilities within FileBound Connect. Select the project you want to search in. The searching criteria in FileBound Connect is similar to that in FileBound on Server. You simply enter your search criteria to the field and instantly your search results appear. In this case, let's return all files by doing a blank search. You can view items by clicking on the document icon and the results list. Something to note: date search, document name search, and text annotation search are also now available. In addition, FileBound Connect has mass data export capabilities. Tired of placing files onto a clipboard and being limited to 50 pages or less? With FileBound Connect, you can export thousands of rows at a time. Watch this. So I'm going to go ahead and just continue to add the next 1,000 files, and I'll do the next 50. So in this case, you can see that we're going to export 2,050 lines of data. I'll export it out to this location. And open up the file. And there's all 2,050. Pretty powerful. Lastly, assignments. We all know that users interact with FileBound differently throughout the day. FileBound Connect engages users and delivers workflow assignments instantly. Now, with FileBound Connect, they're notified by a pop-up, which you've probably seen throughout the demonstration. These are similar to Outlook notifications, but one click takes the users directly to their assignments to work through the approval process. In this example, you'll see an assignment tab located on the header bar of FileBound Connect. The number of assignments are clearly visible to the user. By simply clicking the Assignments tab, FileBound Connect quickly displays the users their global assignments on FileBound.